So we're out at the Northland Classic, starting at 7:30, ending at 7:30 tonight. It's pink slips, winner takes all at camp. No, not really, because I'll lose. Winner takes all the beers. Yeah, loser has to shotgun as soon as we get back to shore. She's calm in the bay so far. We'll see what it's like when we get out there. Got a feeling you might have got a donkey.
You can tell by the yelling.
Yep. You didn't just pull another 20 out, did you? Oh, really?
I hope it goes back.
Oh, yep, I reckon that'd be 20. You can see she's a bit blown, but hopefully it goes. Shane, he's caught a truckload. I've caught this much. Not even a nibble. Not even a bloody nibble. It's quite depressing, to be honest. We'll go over and I think he's onto another fish here now, I think. He's just slaying it. Finally got a good fish on here, but not a good area at all. Just hope he stays where he is and I don't end up in those rocks. Because I did try to pull him out of them. I think we've got him. And I hope we got him because decent snap, nothing awesome, but we'll take him. Yoo! Finally got off the mark, guys, if you can see that. Trolling the shallows. I'm going to keep this one. Not a bad snap. Put fish on here. I don't think it's going to great though. Start though. Should we let this one go? Already got a nice one. Nice little snapper. Happy with that. You wanna? This will be a small snap. Coming up real quick. Come here, little fella. I reckon. Another small snap. Here, little fella, come back when you're 20. Rightio, so Shane is hopefully coming in with some crays from his cray pot, but this is going to be interesting in getting back in. It's the conditions are going to shit. Oh, is that a cray I see? Guys,
That was fun.
Shane, go back and get us some crays. I mean, go back out and get us some crays. He's tried twice, failed twice. He's not a very good cray fisherman. After getting my pants absolutely pulled down in that fishing con, Shane and Garth headed off. That had enough. I still had obviously some redemption to get, so I went off exploring, looking for another fishing spot. I even got stuck in a traffic jam. As you can see here, I have no idea how. And I eventually found a spot for Sunday evening to fish. So, check it out. Cast, guys. That's a good one, and it's going straight for the swell. What we got, it's going to stay down, so it makes maybe a decent snap. See if we net him before he gets me in the... No, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. You've got me in shit, so... Woohoo! First cast. Keep buggering. No complain with that for the first cast of the night. Beautiful. Oh, heaps of sign here. Just drop a mark here. I'm shaking. Shaking after that. That was epic. Bloody epic. Oh, bad snap.